What is success?
Is it good marks, the rank, or something more? Every student today is running behind expectations, pressure behind success.
But have we ever stopped and asked ourselves?
Are we really okay?
Greetings to all my viewers. Myself Yuvraj Singh,
I am Shruti Singh. I am Lakshmi.
and we are today taking part in the activity Voice of Campus. And our topic is
Pressure on students to succeed. So we went out to ask different opinions on this topic.
Ma'am, here I am with Soumya ma'am. So ma'am, here I want to ask a simple question. Do you think pressure does affect our self-confidence or self-esteem of the students?
Yes, pressure affects self-esteem and confidence of the students, because when you feel pressure, you are not able to think clearly.
Yes.
And when you are not clear about your thoughts, you feel confused. And all the time you are confused because you want to do so many things to boost your self-esteem, and in the end, you end up with the self-low esteem and no confidence at all. Because when you see others succeed, you see your classmates are succeeding, they are doing well in their things, and you are trying so many things at once. You are not focused, or you are not clear about what you want. So you feel that kind of pressure.
Okay, ma'am.
And that pressure ultimately drops your confidence and self-esteem. So it's very important for students to not feel pressure, and as well as us teachers to not put pressure on students. So because pressure ruins everything, especially confidence.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm here with Sadhna and Pihu. So my question to you is success more important than happiness?
I think so that happiness is more important than success, but the best life is when both are stable.
I think success is valuable, but without happiness, it is worthless or unmeaningful.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So I am with
Sahil Gupta.
So Sahil, I would like to ask you, what is your definition for success?
Oh, definition of success. Okay, for me, it's not really, like monetary freedom. Like, it is somewhat, necessary, like being financially independent and, having financial freedom. But it's more like, being physically healthy. That you cannot get through, like just money and all. You have to work hard for it. You have to be disciplined for it. And first is gonna be fitness for me. Like if I'm healthy till the end of the age, then what's better than that? I don't want to die on a hospital. So that's that. And after that, I'd say happiness of my family members. Since humans are social beings, we cannot really survive on our own. So the well-beings of my members, like my family members, my partners, that is what comes second. If I am healthy, I'm gonna make them healthy as well, both mentally, physically, and just in that way. And these three basically accounts for my definition of success. So yeah.
I totally agree with you, because as there is a saying that health is wealth.
Exactly.
You have infinite amount of money, but if you're sick on a bed, then it's worthless.
Exactly. Yeah.
It is also a personal pain point for me, because right now I am myself trying to lose weight.
Yep.
And I do realize by looking at my family and all that chain, that how we have sort of grown into that mindset that get grades, get that job,
Exactly.
chase all this, and then at the end you realize that you never spend time on your health, on yourself. You never looked at what you're eating and all stuff.
Yeah.
In that same context, I would like to ask you one more thing.
Yeah, sure.
You said that monetary is definitely important, but not above health,
Yeah.
right? Then how would you define the purpose of, you can say, pressure? There is an amount of pressure on all students.
Yeah.
Some have less pressure, some have taken too much stress as well. So do you think that taking pressure and stress is not worth it, or is it required? Is it like a necessary evil? What is your opinion on this?
There is two types of stress. One is like unhealthy stress, which you just think about something and you're like, oh my god, like how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do that? And there's the healthy stress, which is which helps you being focused. It motivates you towards a goal. Like, damn, I have to achieve that, or else like shit's gonna go bad and all. So stress is somewhat important, but not in that way. Like it is affecting you mentally, physically, and all. So yeah,
Healthy amount of cortisol.
yeah,
you mean.
exactly, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure taking your interview.
Thank you.
So here I am with Rishita. So I am going to question you that. So do you think nowadays students feel pressure, and if yes, so why?
I feel like students feel pressure these days, because if you see, you are also from first year BTech only. So I really think, in my opinion, ki students do feel pressure these days because of society dominance in marks. If you see, if you don't get above 8 CGPA, you are just like, why these students are not getting good marks, why they are not studying, even they are living so far away from home, they are living in hostel, what are they even doing? The market, the societal market in job field, also you have seen many news that AI is taking our places. So that is one of the major reasons that students are facing pressures. And also the social media. I think social media has a huge impact on students, because nowadays if you are not active on social media, you are lacking many things, many informations you are not getting from, all the information you are getting from social media only. So that is one of the major issues, that if you are not active on social media, you will not get good
So
amount of.
social media is a positive view or a negative view?
It is both. If you take it as a neutral, if you take social media as neutral, then only it will be a positive impact for you. But if you take a lot of interest in social media, in my case, I will say, if I'm doom scrolling it all the time, it will affect my mental health, because I will judge myself from the other perspective, even that they are not real. Even though they are not real, I will judge them for judge myself in their perspective. So I think social media has a huge impact, both positive and negative. If social media will not be there, we will not get updates from the other source of the world. So I think students face a lot of pressure, and these are the circumstances, and it has impact a huge mental health on the students. Because if I see one of my closest friend, I lost her because of this. She was a very good student, and she was my best friend. I lost her because of NEET, and she attempted suicide. So
I'm sorry. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am with.
Bhavya Rajput.
So, Bhavya, do you think success is more important than happiness?
I believe happiness is more important, because it keeps us motivated, confident, and focused. But where success is meaningful when it brings satisfaction and peace.
Okay, thank you.
So right now I'm with Iron Raj, and I'm going to ask him, do you think that students nowadays face a lot of pressure? And if you do, then why?
Yes, I think students face a lot of problem nowadays because of the attendance issue and the career pressure, and a lots of competitive exams and the competitive environments. But it is a good thing that students feel a lot of pressure, because without pressure anyone cannot do anything. And I think it is overall good. That's it.
So what I infer from you saying that pressure is in a way required. That if I take off all the pressure from all the students, then the system will collapse and nobody will work.
Yes, because for myself, I think without pressure, I don't do anything. And if I feel pressure, I will focus on my career, and I will do the things in which I feel pressure. Overall, I can say that pressure is good, but in a big amount, pressure is not good. Okay? Without pressure, anyone not doing anything, but a little amount of pressure everyone should have to take. That's why everyone feel that competitive environment is good. That's it. Or I think pressure is good, but in a big amount, it is not good. So take it in a medium level. So that's it.
Okay, thank you so much, Aryan. In conclusion, today's students face a lot of pressure due to academic stress, career uncertainty, and social media.
While pressure can do motivate students to achieve their goals, but too much pressure can affect their mental health, focus, and confidence, which often leads to stress and self-doubt.
Although success is important, it should not come at the cost of happiness and well being. True success is only meaningful when it brings satisfaction and well being.
Therefore, it is important to maintain a balance where pressure embraces growth. Real success is not about achievements but about being happy, healthy, and confident.
We hope this discussion brings you some meaningful insights.
Thank you for watching.